Alright. 1956, I believe, Ferguson F40 high version. Very rare tractor. You can see all the gears work. We're gonna have them, yeah, and now we'll go forward gear. Has the desirable spin out rims. The tires are in good condition. I'm just gonna go to the back, show you the hydraulics work. And Dick, if you could stop. Stop. Go to the front of the tractor. The rear light, keep it on. Turn the lights on. Lights work on the front. And here's the other side of the tractor. 1956 Ferguson F40 high. Nice condition. Needs a good new home.